Frico, frico. Oh! What's going on, Kuzo family? Oh my gosh. Frico. Before we start the video, comment down below what is your favorite song in Aaron Khan's latest album. Mine is Frico.
Mine is Slicky.
Slicky? Yeah, mine's Frico. Yeah, Frico is the best one. It's my favorite song, man. It's pure vibes, man, as you can hear in the background. But yeah, guys, so today's video, we're gonna go to... Oh, come on, man, cover your mouth, man.
Sorry, man.
But yeah, so we're gonna go to... MJ Gauty's your favorite, right?
Yeah, I like
Who's your favorite?
Huh?
Was it MJ Gauty or Peanut Butter?
I don't mind any.
Yeah, we're gonna go to Super Scott. So we're gonna go to MJ Gauty. I love MJ Gauty is just, he's that guy. He's just that guy. You know what I mean? Yeah, he's sick, and MJ Gauty is sick. But before we start the video, make sure you guys follow us on Instagram. Follow us on Instagram, okay guys? Follow us on Instagram, follow me especially. Add me on the Snapchat and subscribe, guys. Spread the love, spread the love, spread the love. Without further ado, we're gonna start the video. Oh, what does Frico mean, by the way, guys? Yeah, what does Frico means? I think it means a freak. Like,
Probably does.
She's a freak. She's a freak. Hey. When I'm looking at her, she's a freak. I see that remix, yeah. MJ Gauty lifting me up. Oh.
Yeah. Odd start.
Oh, that Conor McGregor kind of stuff in it. Lift him up. Does lift him up means lift me up? It's just a random guess. Am I right? Am I wrong? Let me know. Oh, in the comment down section below. Oh! You got something there, mate? Oh, 66 North, man. Look at that jacket. It's sick, innit? All black.
You lift the load, then we'll lift the matter. You help me go, then we'll lift the matter. Time to show them, yeah, they lift the matter. You help me go, then we'll lift the matter. Motherfucker, you get older, yeah, they lift the matter. You help me go, then we'll lift the matter. Time to show them, yeah, they lift the matter. You help me go, then we'll lift the matter. Puff, puff, passive. Jag så aktiv. Familien ringde som från det inte det kallte jag var I manigu. Vonder I snappen nu. Det var I bladen nu. Hangi med havkatlen. Ren över kanin. Vägen så sega. Rappen lampes det ser han I ger I allt för I hana. En så gøy det ikke vækker. Hun giver tilbage. Ja, hun giver tilbage. Det rappa og rappa og rappa. Ikke det fakker. Jeg kvækker alt med vøk og þegar solen sæst. At det så fattig kvølt og visse morgenstag. Jeg løber mig vidt efter det.
Nice tattoos, man. place. Pretty cool. Look. I always see this guy in his videos. Are they like proper best friends? I always see them two together in the videos. Yeah. Alright, cool. Ooh, is there more coming? I knew it. That's a lot of cereals. MJ Gauti, man. Hey. But yeah, you see that guy with the big afro, yeah? I see him a lot in MJ Gauti's videos. Are they like best friends? Comment down below and let me know. And yeah, comment down below. Sorry about that. But yeah, MJ Gauti lifting me up. Lifting me up. Yeah, I like that. I like the video's a bit unique. It's like it's proper different. Like it's just different, innit?
Just chill. Like you probably didn't put too much effort into making this. You're like, hey, yo, guys, let's just make a song in it for fun.
You know what I mean? Nah, I like it, man. What do you think?
I like that, man. That was a cool video. Like.
The beat as well.
Exactly.
Yeah, like MJ Gauti, man. Ah, man, I still prefer Mr. Peanut Butter, but you are up there as well. Trust me, MJ Gauti. You're definitely in my top 3. Yeah, like my top 3 because you got what's that guy's name? Aaron Khan, Mr. Peanut Butter, MJ Gauti, Gisli Palmy. There's other guys. What's his name? Starts with an A.
Alexander John.
Yeah. Is that the singer or the rapper? Yeah, Alexander Jar. So yeah, I'll put him up there. But without further ado, guys, man, you guys are Kuzo. We're Kuzo. Everything Kuzo. It's your boy Prince.
It's your boy Irish. It's your boy Jermaine.
And Kuzo family. Stay shining. Make sure you follow us on the gram. Follow us on Instagram. Stop what you're doing and follow us on Instagram right now. Add us on Snapchat. And subscribe and share. Love you guys. It's Kuzo. And we're out.